Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Trade Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Trade Algo, our elite AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of volume in these private exchanges, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money trades. And of course, the same thing applies to the trending downside as well. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. I want you guys to see how AMC pops up near the top of our main dashboard with an over 300% increase in institutional bullish volume. Now, what our AI is detecting is that typically, over the course of a 7-day average, only $92 million is traded in that stock. Today alone, it was nearly $300 million. It's important to get access to that information early. That's why we choose to follow smart money transactions, and that's why we use AI to curate it. So at 8:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1.24 times the average amount of bullish volume is identified there. Now, let's say you had done call option transactions on AMC today. You could see they're up in the triple digit return space. For example, let's say you had done the $4.50 call option. We're going to go ahead and just take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market at its maximum. That's a 628% return. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until nearly noon Eastern Standard Time. That's still a 100% return. The whole purpose is get access to the information down here, so that way you're not trying to chase it over here or over here. Now, it wasn't just AMC. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's just focus on maybe one or two more highlights. Let's go to the large cap space. I want you guys to see how both classes of shares of Google popped up with a more than 200% increase in institutional bullish volume. For trillion-dollar market caps to be jumping nearly 3%, that is a massive, massive move. So let's go ahead and take a look at when GOOG was identified by our AI. You guys can see, well, GOOGL at 8:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and GOOG down here at 8:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're just going to stick with GOOG for the sake of the example. The options in the stock move pretty similar. So let's go ahead and take a look at the options chain. Right here, April the 6th expiration, triple and quadruple digit returns. For example, let's say you did the $107 call option at the beginning of the day. Again, we're going to stick with the 15-minute chart, because we already know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. Options started the day at about 16 cents. It's a 1,500% return at its max. But again, maybe you didn't even enter the trade until nearly 10:30, and then maybe you hopped out at a horrible late exit. That's still nearly a 400% return. To wrap things up, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at Novavax, NVAX. It pops up on our system with a huge signal in institutional bullish volume, a 262% increase, makes a double-digit move in the stock alone. Now, again, what our AI is detecting is that typically only $14 million is traded over the course of a 7-day average. Today it was nearly $40 million, massive influx. So let's go ahead and go to the alerts tab. Let's see when the next generation AI was able to identify that from the private exchanges. You can see it's right above Google, 8:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you had done call option transactions on NVAX, you could see those are up in the triple digit return space. Let's say you had done the $7.50 option at the very beginning of the day, all the way down here. The options open between about 20 to 25 cents. At its maximum, it's nearly a 500% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.